Best plants for warm and versatile, Zone 7 gardens. Angel Bells Clustered Bellflowers. Angel Bells Clustered Bellflowers. Campanula glomerata. Angel Bells. Showcase large clusters of white, bell-shaped blooms that brighten the garden in late spring and early summer. Crowning Glory Purple Rain Pineapple Lily. Crowning Glory Purple Rain Pineapple Lily. Eucomis Hybrid Purple Rain displays dramatic, dark-tinted foliage crowned by bold, bottlebrush-like blooms in late summer. Hedge Box Japanese Holly. Hedge Box Japanese Holly, Ilex crenata, creates a polished evergreen hedge that holds its neat shape year-round. Our growing tests confirm it fills out quickly without common boxwood issues like blight or box moths. Japanese Plum Yew. Japanese Plum Yew, Cephalotaxus harringtonia, stands out with its upright, full-bodied form and gracefully arching branches. Its dark green, finely textured needles bring structure and elegance to gardens needing a dependable, shade-tolerant evergreen. Mini Pinks Delphinium. Mini Pinks Delphinium, Delphinium hybrid, showcases rosy pink flower spikes that create a striking vertical accent from late spring into summer. My Fair Maiden Japanese Silvergrass. My Fair Maiden Japanese Silvergrass, Miscanthus sinensis, My Fair Maiden, offers a towering display of elegant foliage topped by showy plumes in late summer. Royal Anouck Spanish Lavender. Royal Anouck Spanish Lavender, Lavandula stoechas, Anouck deluxe, displays luxurious purple bracts perched atop strong, upright stems. Summerlong Lemon Agastache. Summerlong Lemon Agastache, Agastache mexicana balsamlem, offers bold yellow flower spikes that emerge in late spring and keep going through summer. Sunjoy. Really Red Barberry, Sunjoy. Really Red Barberry, Berberis thunbergi, stands out with its striking deep red foliage that holds its color from spring through fall, even gaining a subtle chartreuse edge in warmer months. I Sweet Reward. Coral Azalea. Sweet Reward Coral Azalea, rhododendron, energizes spring gardens with clusters of salmon-hued flowers and splashes of bright orange. Explore best plants for warm and versatile Zone 7 gardens. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.